Eva Life bakabafasha murakoze cyane.
Ivuriro Eva Life rikorera Nyabugogo imaze kuba ubukombe mu Rwanda no hanze yarwo mu kuvura indwara bakoresheje imiti y'ibimera kandi itunganyijwe neza mu buryo bw'ibinini, poudre cyangwa liquide. Hari abadogiteri batandukanye bagufasha kandi kiza nuko aho waba uherereye hose ku isi imiti yakugeraho cyane ko bakorana na DHL. Mu ndwara bavura twavugamo nk'iz'imyororokere zose, kurangiza vuba no kubura ubushake, indwara zifata abadamu zose, igwingira ry'igitsina, indwara nk'umwijima, diabete, amara, igifu, asima. Abifuza kuva ku biyobyabwenge nabo barabafasha. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara cyangwa ukandikira muganga. Eva Life, icyizere cy'ubuzima.
Cyangwa se ibyerekezo by'abantu muri bujye kurobera kuri telefoni, bigira nkaho baje kuroba amafi kumbariza abo baroba mu nyanja ariko z'umukire. Ati rwose ubwo muri babiri arimwe mugiye kujya muri iyi ganga. Ati umukire kuyi boss wacu azajya yohereza shenge iki nakwicuza byose ntabwo byafasha umuryango w'abapfuye, ahubwo ngomba kwitaho. Muri make umupolisi wapfuye yari afite abana ugomba kubitaho. Ati nimva muri gereza nzongera mige ibyihebe cyangwa se abagizi ba nabi mbahige bubwa. Ati nzatabara ubuzima none bya nyabyo. Yihaye intege argishene filime bayise The Blink. Ko tuyitangiye. Ese wabyemeye kubera ko wishe data? Because you killed my father. Kubera ko wishe data? Ese yari umunyabyaha. Your father was a criminal. Nuko yanze guko tumujyana kumufunga turarwana birangira murengeje taje. Byari impanuka. Bivuze nta kibi nakoze. Ni gusa numvise ko nafashe umuryango wiwe. Ariko ibyo yakoraga ntago byari bikwiye. Njye n'umutima nagize navuga ni ngumfashe nk'umwana we ariko ni pepa waka. Ongera sinanjye nkubita nyine. Ureko takubura ikindi kire kugafungwa burundu. Afande nongeye kunsezeranya munakora akazi kanje. Kandi nagwamagarika. Sawa rero. Baramutinya. Nebutswe naguhagarika komeza witware nabo reko nanagushyira hasi. Reka nagatinga abantu banje sibyo? Wenda wenza guhamagara mu nyuma. Uzanzanire uriya mugabo Chen Shui. Hari imodoka uzabona hanze y'ibitari gutegereje. Uzamunzanire. Nutamunzanira nzica umwunganizi wawe. Reba filime sasa. Uyu gira gizaza cyacatse kumwica ariko polisi
Eva Life bakabafasha murakoze cyane.
Ivuriro Eva Life rikorera Nyabugogo imaze kuba ubukombe mu Rwanda no hanze yarwo mu kuvura indwara bakoresheje imiti y'ibimera kandi itunganyijwe neza mu buryo bw'ibinini, poudre cyangwa liquide. Hari abadogiteri batandukanye bagufasha kandi kiza nuko aho waba uherereye hose ku isi imiti yakugeraho cyane ko bakorana na DHL. Mu ndwara bavura twavugamo nk'iz'imyororokere zose, kurangiza vuba no kubura ubushake, indwara zifata abadamu zose, igwingira ry'igitsina, indwara nk'umwijima, diabete, amara, igifu, asima. Abifuza kuva ku biyobyabwenge nabo barabafasha. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara cyangwa ukandikira muganga. Eva Life, icyizere cy'ubuzima.
Wawe wibuka abantu bari bafite wari ubayoboye ariko yahuraga n'uyu kuyi kumwenyewe. Unatashaka mbe umukozi wawe uzajya witumira. Uwo wishe nge nawe twari tumeze nk'abavandimwe. Uwo ni Shuyi. Wishe Shuyi urumva nge nawe twaganira iki? Ariko Shuyi niwe wabanje gushaka kunyica. We n'umwana we. Abarobyi bose abari abavandimwe bigeze mu nyanja. Ariko abavandimwe banje bose bishwe n'inzara. Urebe basi ndakwinginze. Arongora ubona kwaka imbazo ukavuga uti ndazimu ariko jana ndine. Umwambwiye umugenzi wanjye Ade ari avanda avuga yitonze. Avugira kuri ryinyo kiraseka. Mujinyira zamuka fande.
Welcome back my people, aracari umuhungu wanyu Sakalada Premier nk'ibisanzwe. Uyu munsi ngaba nisanze muri Dropic Electronics anje kubereka ibikoresho byiza bya electronic bigezweho kandi ku biciro byiza. Aho tubafite amatelefoni meza cyane nk'izi iPhone 17 Pro Max, MacBook ndetse n'ama headset agezweho nk'iyi nambaye, screen meza cyane, JBL speakers ndetse na PS z'ikinyejana. ewana ibintu muri Dopic Electronics ni uburyohe, ibintu byose biri kuri price ziri hasi cyane ko turi mu mpera z'umwaka. None akarusho abantu bafite ama Apple phones cyangwa se ama telefone ya iPhone, ubaye udafite ubushobozi bwo kubayigura icyarimwe, hari promotion yo kwishyura 40% cyangwa se 40% andi ukajya wishyura mu byiciro buri cyumweru ukagira amafaranga utanga, ariko kuri condition imwe gusa, usabwa kuba ufite akazi. Aracyari Premier hamwe na Dopic Electronics. God bless.
Eva Life bakabafasha, murakoze cyane.
Ivuriro Eva Life rikorera Nyabugogo rimaze kuba ubukombe mu Rwanda no hanze yarwo mu kuvura indwara bakoresheje imiti y'ibimera kandi itunganyijwe neza mu buryo bw'ibinini, poudre cyangwa liquide. Hari abadogiteri batandukanye bagufasha, kandi cyiza nuko aho waba uherereye hose ku isi imiti yakugeraho, cyane ko bakorana na DHL. Mu ndwara bavura twavugamo nk'iz'imyororokere zose, kurangiza vuba no kubura ubushake, indwara zifata abadamu zose, igwingira ry'igitsina, indwara nk'umwijima, diabete, amara, igifu, asima. Abifuza kuva ku biyobyabwenge nabo barabafasha. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara cyangwa ukandikira muganga. Eva Life, icyizere cy'ubuzima.
In Fort Collins, Colorado, freshman Kayla vanished after a house party, sparking a chilling mystery. This typical college party featured loud music, red cups, and phones capturing every moment. By morning, when Kayla was reported missing, TikTok had hours of party footage. The key video came from At Campus Tea, a drama account with 300,000 followers. It shows Kayla smiling and dancing with a cup, then a guy in a gray hoodie whispers to her. She laughs, nods, and follows him into a dimly lit hallway with two guys behind. Viewers spotted flickering lights, a left side shadow, and Kayla's brief discomfort. The video hit 6 million views in 24 hours, thrusting the case online. Kayla's last text at 12:51 a.m. read, "I'm good with some people. I'll meet you in 10. She never arrived, and her phone was found powered off near the kitchen. The three boys denied seeing her after, but TikTok comments exposed story inconsistencies. Online pressure led police to build a timeline from party videos. Kayla arrived at 11:40 p.m., danced at 12:15 a.m., and entered the hallway at 12:30 a.m. At 12:40 a.m., she was near the back patio. She sent her final text at 12:50 a.m. A blurry figure like Kayla appeared on CCTV at 1:10 a.m. A car left at 2:30 a.m. TikTok users analyzed details, drew maps, and enhanced pixels. At Digital Detective claimed the 1:10 a.m. figure was another girl with similar shoes. Another user spotted the 2:30 a.m. car driver in the same gray hoodie. It got 4 million views. This pressured police to re-interview the boys. Two stuck to their story, but the hoodie guy shifted his timeline from 3 a.m. to match 1:12 a.m. CCTV. His phone disconnected from Wi-Fi at 12:52 a.m. right after Kayla's text. A new TikTok angle showed Kayla pulling away from the hoodie guy, looking uncomfortable. Combined with deleted messages and a video of distressed Kayla, it led to an arrest. Kayla was found safe, hiding at a friend's after the boys' behavior and viral chaos. TikTok turned this local case into a national probe with digital detectives. Their efforts forced the truth. Subscribe for more viral TikTok true crime stories.
In Fort Collins, a college student disappeared. This is the story of how TikTok became the key to finding her. Kayla vanished after a house party. The event was heavily documented on social media. Almost every moment was captured on phones, from Snapchat to TikTok. When Kayla was reported missing, TikTok already had hours of footage. A viral clip showed Kayla smiling and dancing. A guy in a gray hoodie whispered to her, and they went into a hallway. Users noticed flickering lights, a shadow, and Kayla's discomfort. The video hit 6 million views, sparking an online investigation. Kayla texted friends, but never showed up. Her phone was off near the kitchen. The boys claimed they hadn't seen her. TikTok comments questioned their stories, leading to police involvement. New videos with theories emerged hourly. Police pieced together a timeline. Kayla arrived at 11:40 p.m. The viral clip was recorded at 12:30 a.m. She sent her final text at 12:50 a.m. A blurry figure appeared on CCTV at 1:10 a.m. A car left the neighborhood at 2:30 a.m. Users drew maps and enhanced footage. Digital detectives suggested the figure wasn't Kayla. The car driver wore the gray hoodie from the clip. This video got 4 million views, pressuring police. Police re-interviewed the students. The hoodie-wearing boy changed his story. CCTV showed him leaving at 1:12 a.m., contradicting his claim. His phone disconnected from Wi-Fi at 12:52 a.m. A new clip showed Kayla's discomfort. Police seized the boys' phones. One phone had deleted messages, another a distressed video of Kayla. This led to the suspect's arrest, and Kayla was found safe. She hid out of friends, scared by the boys and the viral storm. TikTok turned a local incident into a national investigation. Their collective pressure brought the truth. Subscribe for more true crime.